And here's I will show you how to embed Facebook live stream on WordPress website. Follow these all steps very carefully. First of all, log into your WordPress admin dashboard and now go to add new plugin page. First of all, you have to search here Elementor and install and activate the Elementor plugin. And after that, type here EmbedPress and install and activate the EmbedPress plugin. Once you successfully installed both Elementor and EmbedPress, now go to post or page section and edit the specific post or page that you want to where you want to add your Facebook live. And all you have to need, click on edit with Elementor. So edit the post or page with Elementor. And here add a new container, add a layout and select a structure. Click on this widget icon. In the search widget box, type here EmbedPress. And here you find this EmbedPress widget. Add the widget in your section. Now go to your Facebook and all you have to need, copy the Facebook live link. And note one thing, that we can embed only one live video at a time, but we can't embed, or we can't connect our entire Facebook profile or Facebook group or page in our site. So all you have to need, go to your page, post or group and copy the specific live link, and then go back to your Elementor editor, and here in this embed link paste the live stream link, and here we can see the live stream successfully added. Now to change this live stream width or height, go to style, and here you can adjust the live video width and the live video height, just like so. And after that, just click on publish, and that's it. This is how we can actually add Facebook live video, or we can add Facebook live stream in our WordPress website. Thanks for watching.